and common as a similarity between CT and X-ray are going to be the clear, and we'll see all part of the body and the main structure of the CT machine. So CT machine is a kind of circular CT machine, okay? And we place the patient at the filter. Mostly we use the bow tie filter. What's the bow tie filter? It's a filter, the preparal. It's like this. We place the filter. Okay, sorry. We have started discussing the X-ray structure, the structure of the CT machine. We have image. So what about the attenuation path from the body part? Reason the X-ray coming has 100, okay, energy decreased, and that will be more noise because of the body part and dust modulation. For example, to show us the CT detector is not a single flat panel. This is going